So I promise this is the last one in the series. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. All right, so copper solid. Write the chemical formula, total ionic and net ionic equation for the reactions below. Lovely. So we're going to write the chemical equation, sometimes called the molecular equation. It says copper solid. So, and by the way, if you want to look, I think there's something above that looks exactly like this. All right, and then copper solid plus silver nitrate. So this is silver nitrate. You can look above for this molecular or chemical equation, and this is going to be aqueous, because this is, based on your solubility guidelines, a soluble strong electrolyte. And we're going to produce products. It'll be a single displacement or single replacement reaction. So we're going to have over here copper. And it's not telling us whether this is copper 1 nitrate or copper 2. So we're going to go ahead and assume that it's copper 2 nitrate. So we'll have 2 nitrates here, and that is aqueous because all nitrates are soluble strong electrolytes. And then what we'll wind up with over here is solid copper. This is a single displacement, also a redox reaction. Let's go ahead and balance it. We can use the nitrates to balance it because I've got 2 nitrates over here on the product side. So I need to get 2 nitrates here. If I have 2 silver nitrates, then I need to change my coefficient here to silver. All right, so I'm not worried about this. I know this is a redox reaction, but that's not my goal here. My goal here is to come up with a total and then a net ionic equation. So that's going to be, we're just going to drag the copper down. It does not dissociate. It's an element, okay? And it's a solid. It's going to sit on the bottom until it finishes reacting. All right, and then the silver nitrate, it is a soluble strong electrolyte. So we're going to get 2 silver ions with a +1 charge. That's in aqueous solution. And then we've got 2 nitrates, and that's also in aqueous. Oh yeah, it is so late. Aqueous solution, and then we're going to come on over here. Now this is also a nitrate, so all nitrates are soluble. Know your solubility guidelines. So that's going to be a copper 2 plus aqueous plus 2 nitrates, aqueous, and then we've got 2 silver metals. Oh, that's so sloppy, and I am so sorry about that. All right, next thing, we identify the spectator ion or ions. And in this case, copper has changed, so it did chemistry, so it's not a spectator. Silver has changed from a +1 to silver 0, so it's not a spectator. But nitrate, since it's always associated with soluble strong electrolytes, without exception, it will be our only spectator ion in this reaction. There it is. So that after we throw that out, we get our net ionic equation, which is going to be copper solid. I'll do my best to be a little bit neater, plus 2 silver +1 ions, and that's an aqueous solution, and that's going to form copper 2 plus, also in aqueous solution, plus 2 silver metals, and that will be our net ionic equation. This is the equation that we get after we eliminate the spectator ions, and we only had one in this particular reaction. Okay, so I think that's it for the redox activity. Hopefully that helped you, and you can finish it up on your own. Thank you very much.